Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT Yami, and this is tutorial number 84, and in the next couple of videos I'm going to talk about different what if analysis tools. And in this particular video I'm going to talk about the tool that is called as data table. And the use of data table is that it enables you to view a variety of different outcomes for a particular formula or a function given a set of different values for either one or two variables. So let's see how to use this. So over here, for instance, if I have a bookstore where I'm selling some books on a different percentage of profit, and then I want to do analysis that what would be the profit if I sell that book in different profit percentages. So if I have the book given the cost price is $20, let's format it as currency, and then I have profit percentage that is 5%, and then if I say I have the quantity sold is 10 books I sold. So now over here I want to calculate the profit I got from selling $20 book on 5% profit, and 10 is the quantity. So let's give the names to these cells. So I just select these cells, formula, and create from selection. And if you don't know what I'm doing, just go ahead and you can view the video related to cell naming. So now you can see I have given the name to these cells. This cell is called as cost price, this is profit, and this is quantity. You can see the names over here, quantity sold. So in this case, the profit is gonna be equal to cost price multiplied by profit multiplied by quantity sold, and enter, and you get the profit. So this is all in dollars. So now I want to calculate a kind of a table where I want to see that what if I sell this book at 6% profit or 7% or 8%, then I want to have that kind of table. So in this case I want to use the data table. So let's create a table. Here I have the formula, and then here I'll be creating the different inputs for what if analysis. So if I say that if I sell this book on 6% profit or 7% profit, like this I want to go to 10%, so I will use the fill handle till 10%. And now what I can do is I can select all these entire range, and then I'm gonna go on to the data tab, and there you're gonna see a group called as forecast where we have what if analysis group, and when I click on that you are seeing the last option there that says data table, and the tooltip that says see the result of multiple inputs at the same time. So if I click on that, and then you are getting this data table dialog box. Now from here, because data table can be used for single variable or two variables, in this case what I'm changing is only one variable, that is profit, and that profit I have arranged in a row. So I will select this option, row input cell, and what is changing in my formula is the profit. So I'll select that cell, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK, and now you can see that you are getting all the profit in different profit percentages. So let's format it as currency. So this is how you can use the data table. So here I have laid out horizontally, you can also put it vertically. So for instance, if I say this is, if I want to create a table for different quantities sold, so if I say equals to cost price multiplied by profit percentage multiplied by quantity sold, and then I say that what if I sold 20 books or 50 books or 100 books or 200 books, what would be the profit? So in this case I can select this entire table, and then I'm gonna go ahead again with the data tab, what if analysis, and data table, and this time you can see that whatever data I have entered is in a column. So I'm gonna select this column cell, and then what is changing in this column is the quantity sold. So I'll go ahead and select this cell, and then when I click on OK, and now you are getting that by selling 20 books you're gonna get profit of $20. So let's format it as $Shift$, and this is what you are getting the profit. So this is how we can use data tables. So both the cases they are of one variable changing. You also can use data tables in case both the variables are changing. So you can create a table where on horizontal axis your profit percentage is changing. On the vertical axis you have the amount of books sold that is changing. So let's do this once again. So if equal to cost price multiplied by profit multiplied by quantity sold, and then I can create the table over here where I have 6%, 7%, and then let's autofill till 10%, and then over here I want to have the number of books sold. So I have, let's say, 20 books, 50 books, 100 books, and 200 books. So in this case you can see here I have the formula, and here are the different quantities, and here I have the different profit percentages. I will select this entire range, and then I'm going to go ahead with what if analysis and data table. So in this case you can see the row input cell. What is changing in the row is the profit percentage. I'm going to select this option, and what is changing in the column is the quantity sold. So I'll go ahead and select this, and then I click on OK, and now you can see you are getting the entire table that if I sold a book, 20 books at 6%, this is the profit I'm going to get. If I sell 200 books at 10% profit, this is the profit I'm going to get. So this is how you can use the data tables. So let's format it as currency. So this is the main objective of data tables. So that's all about it. Hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.